Hi friends, welcome to Pleasant Better Tomorrow. This video regarding how you can take a Epass in the Delhi during night time. I will provide the link for the Epass in my description. Kindly copy paste from there and you can apply for the Epass. When you open this page, you can select for the Epass in night time. Then this type of page will open. Here you have to give your contact number, your name, select which district you belongs to and give your address also there. Then you can select the service you want, select it, then you can choose the date. Next you have to upload your identity proof. It should be less than 4 MB in size. If it is applicable, you can upload your visiting card, business license or any other document. If you like the content, kindly support me by clicking like, comment and subscription button. If you have any queries or comments regarding the video, kindly mention in the comment box. Finally, you can click for the acknowledgement and submit for the Epass request. From the same address itself, you can check for the status and you can take a printout and you can use for travel. Have a pleasant better tomorrow to all my friends.